Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Nova in Warframe. Nova is a powerful Warframe known for her crowd control and damage amplification abilities. To begin, open the market and search for Nova. As you can see, her main blueprint costs 35,000 credits. Purchase it first. After purchasing the blueprint, go to your navigation. From there, travel to Europa and select the Naamah mission. This is an assassination mission where you will fight the boss Raptor. Completing this mission will reward one of Nova's component blueprints. You will need to repeat this mission multiple times. Continue until you collect all three parts: the chassis, Neuroptics, and systems. Once you have all the required components and the main blueprint, return to your Foundry. Craft each component first, then combine them with the main blueprint to build Nova. That's it. You've learned how to get Nova by buying her blueprint from the market and farming her parts. By completing the Naamah assassination mission. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.